Hi guys, so today hi, I'm Kiwi, and Lychee's not here today because I don't know what she's doing, but yeah. Today we're going to beat this obstacle course, and look, there's Banana. I'm going to wait for Banana. This is not Banana. This is not the official Banana. So let's go. Oh shoot, I died. Ugh, why am I mayonnaise? I'm not in the sauce squad. I wanna be green. I wanna be green because I'm Kiwi. Oh, I need to be green. I got pink, but that's kind of not lucky. Please speed this up. Oh, why did I get pink again? Okay. Not good, not good. Not good, bro. I need to be green. You know what? I'll just be Banana. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm gonna speed this up, okay? I wanna be green, please. I don't wanna be yellow, I wanna be green. Bro, green as the grass. I don't wanna be lychee. I wanna be pink. I wanna be green. I wanna be green. Green as that sign over there. Oh my freaking god. Guys, you don't I don't have any. Hi, it's me, Official Kiwi here. Sorry guys, but I don't know. I can't get a skin. By the way, I'm the second main character. I mean, the main character is Lychee, and Lychee said, you could be the second main character because you're my best friend. Yeah, she said that, so let's go. How to beat 21. You're supposed to do this. And then, as long as you're close, you're supposed to do that. And you're supposed to wait, and like this, and like that. Yep. And then go over here, over there. Don't step in the poison. I gotta wait for Lychee. By the way, I'm turning into Banana, even though I'm Kiwi.
Teka, wala kang assignment?
Wala.
Dumating si Ma'am Tina?
Ay, hindi. Nag-visit lang siya.
Ano ba ituturo sa iyo nun?
Whee! Okay. Okay, I almost died. And then you're supposed to go here. I bet you can do it. I said I bet you can do it. Wait, you're supposed to go here. If I die, you're not supposed to die, okay? You're not supposed to die. Yep. Okay. Oh no! I was almost there. Why am I so dumb? You're not supposed to die, okay? You're not supposed to die. You're not supposed to die. If you're a newbie and you're at 20, go here. So first, you're supposed to be close. I know you can do it, but this is kind of hard for newbies. You're supposed to do this, yeah. And then you're supposed to go around this. If you don't know what this is, it's a spiky thing. And go at the edge, and then go. And then over here, go at the edge too, and then yippee. Okay. You're supposed to wait for it. Oh, I almost fell. Huh. Okay. If I die, you're not supposed to die, okay? If I die. I said you're not supposed to die. And if you're joking around and you're dying, that means you can't go to 21. And if you don't care, that's nice.
Ayun, ito yung mga titignan, BMP, basic
Or that's not nice because,
Sa
you
dugo lang
know,
lahat yung sana niya, no?
I have anger issues with this game.
Creatinine levels which indicate how well the kidneys
But I still
are
love it.
filtered based from the blood.
And also, this is the hard part for other people. Just follow me.
Sa dugo lang lahat yan.
And then over here, you're supposed to go here. We're almost there to 21. We're like kinda almost there. You're supposed to go there, like over there. See those blocks over there? Near the special items over there, like the disappearing blocks, that is at 21.
BMP, yun nandun ang
Almost at 21. I don't know if it's past 21, but yeah.
Sa dugo din titignan yung kung anong itsura na ng kidney mo.
No! I keep dying.
Hindi ko gabi ha, yung nakaraang gabi. Kasi may birthday daw doon ka na bagong maksaka.
Trying to be funny. I love obbies before,
Dugo lang yan.
but not this. I think it did. I think it didn't exist before. By the way, if you fall like this, you're supposed to click the arrow that says 20 and then the height above or something. As you can see, I'm height 201 meter right now. And then I'm at 2. And then I'm at 3. Oh, I'm at 2. I'm at 3? Yes, I'm at 3. You're gonna be at 4. Oh, you're still at 3. Huh? Okay. You're supposed to wait and then boom. And then boom. Yes. Okay. You're supposed to do this. I was so confident. Okay, I died out here, by the way. And you're supposed to go to the edge. Yep. Okay, guys. I'm so scared. Oh no, no, no! Okay, I did. This is the win column that I'm talking about. Okay, this is pretty hard, but oh no. Okay. 21 is almost there, guys. You just gotta not give up, okay? Don't give up. If you know where to go. Okay. And then at this. You're supposed to go here and then go. Oh my god. Oh my god. Huh? Oh my god, I'm so close! I'm actually serious. I'm so close. Guys, no. I need to go to 21. I'm actually serious. Okay. Yeah. Oh my god, guys, I'm so close. I might not make it. Oh no. Okay. That's the freaking checkpoint. Yes! Yes! Wait! Yay! I'm at 21! I finally made it! Okay, and... Oh! It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. This is my first time at 21. I'm so excited. I'm actually at 21. Okay. Yes! I just have to be super demure. Oh, wait, no. That's not the point. Excuse me. It's okay. Okay, guys, at this part you're supposed to go here, and then go here, and go here. Yep. And then this is kinda hard. Luckily, I finally reached 21. Like, it was like a year. Try me. Okay, guys, go down. So, wait, I'm going to go down. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh! I'll go down over here. Okay, let's see what's in here. What level? Rush. Wee! I'm trying to fall down into the end of the void. Yeah, at the end of the void. Ah! Me and my friend used to do this over here. I'm a bluebird without a chef lock. Wait. I want to be Kiwi, please. 22 is basically so hard. Pwede mag-con? Yay!
Wala magarinig na sisigaw ka.